So 5 months ago, I opened up my community for free to learn Blender Octane. Well, we just hit 300 members and I've closed the doors. So what I've decided to do is offer a 7-day free trial for those who have not or weren't able to get into the community. Big news if you did not know that Blender Octane add-on is now fully stable, which is exciting times. Now we're going to really start to focus on some good workflows using Blender Octane. I've got the free Blender 101 guide also on my YouTube channel as a course for members who did not get into the community. You guys have access to it there. There are a few modules that are being updated that are in the community only. And from here on out, they'll be updated in the community only. But other than that, you guys can still learn a lot about Blender Octane by using the portion on my YouTube channel with the Blender 101 guide. And if you're interested in joining, 7-day free trial, definitely take a look at some really cool stuff going on there. Add-ons, assets, all kinds of stuff. But enough of my self-promotion. Definitely download Blender Octane 5.1, fully stable add-on. Links here. I have an install video to show you how to get it all installed. And there's this mosquito that's just hovering right by my lens. I got to get out of here. See you guys in the next one. Peace.